Alright, we got a string incrementer over here with a function that increments by 1, so we say foo1 foo bar is 24, and leading zeros must be taken into account. So 0042 tends to 0043, etc. Now, as you can see here, it's train again. That's because I apparently have tried this once, but I didn't. Oh fuck, no. Okay, but I did not finish it. As you can see, if I press test, it's red. Okay, so oh shit. Let's char string 1. Only this one passes and the first one. I guess now I would really approach this problem a different way. Shit. And I guess we have a guarantee that the last part is that only the last part is a number, so we say match, we say the number equals to re dot match. What do we want to match? We want to match anything that is from 0, oh shit, from 0 to 9 in strng. Oh, I remember this. And let's just print out the number and comment all of that out. Fuck. Test it out. It's always none, because you must use search function, not match. Here, and the first it's none, then it's something, but I want to print that out. So how do we do that? If we call directory on the number, let's run this match object, expand, dot expand, match expand, or we can do group. That's an interesting way to do it. Like that. Could be 0 or multiple. So we say match object print match object point group the first group. Match object is not defined. Yeah, over here it's not defined, so we say if match object print like else return string strng dot append just f string. One, that's it. That way also the oh, okay. Okay. The match. Do we do that in the beginning? We say something else, yeah. Wow. Wow. Look at that turtle go, bro. Match object. Where are the methods? Where are the methods, Lebowski? Search match. Return none if no position is synchronized filter. So what if match object print that, but it's not printing that, it's just right now I'm actually really confused. Yeah, fuck that. Maybe this should be like group 0 or something, because it's not printing anything. So I guess here we should print out what about group 0, huh? Where's my group? Where is my match group? Match expand match dot group. So group and group. The entire 0 is the entire match, but we don't have like apparently this is not matching. What if we do that? strng. There's no 0 to 9. There is no 0 to 9. Yeah, that's really weird. Okay. What could it be? What could it be? So it's not matching, it's matching nothing. If you cancel that and just say like foo, it's a smoke test. Yeah, it's matching. Alright. But now say anything from 0 to 9, 0 or multiple times, test that out. It doesn't match. Why doesn't it match? If obviously we have 0 here. Huh? Maybe because it's not in the beginning. Do search. Still nothing. I do not understand that. Fuck. Alright. So we don't get this print statement. Maybe we are just calling the wrong method on it. So let's print out this match object. Alright. 0, 0, 0, 0. It seems like it does not catch or like recognize anything. I'm really unsure why. Maybe it must end. Like so. We do the end. Now something is happening. Say match object dot group 0. Let's see what's up. It's nothing. 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 9, 9. Alright. And so that's a progress. We just made progress. We don't need this stupid of printout statement over here, but we do need if match object is none. Just move that over here and that over here. I'll test that out. None should equal foo1. Now let's just put it back, and instead of printing out what, I do match object. For the first one it says nothing, and if we cancel that sign over here, it says 0, 0, 0, 0. If we do an AND thing, where is that AND thing, or maybe an A to Z, I think in the beginning. I don't like, does only like this sign says like, oh, it matches because this string has an AND. Yeah, I'm not sure how to deal with this. Split it search. Scan through string looking for the first location where the regular expression pattern produces a match, and return a corresponding match object. Return none if no position in the string matches the pattern. Right? So we just say nothing over here, and it just says match. What if we say like exclamation point? That's how we make it pass. But if we do like so, and we do 1, I test that out, it still passes, and we get a group here we say 0 to 9. Test it out. Yeah, it's still correct. 0009. Alright, and this thing can happen, like, let's say 1 to 9 times, for example. Alright. Alright, what if we just say it can happen, it's just 0 or 1 or multiple times. Instead of 0 multiple times, we do 1 or multiple times. And we are on our horse. This is very good, yeah, because we say if 0 or multiple times, it will still match just for the 0. Alright, so this is cool. So right now we say the number equals to match object dot group with 0, and I'm just wondering what would happen now if we say int the number 1 2 turns to 001 turns to 1. So yeah, now we have the trailing zeros, and right now my mind is procuring all kinds of different solutions to this, which is to a problem which is basically that we save the trailing zeros. I mean that we obey the state of the trailing zeros. Now what can we do though is to multiply and then subtract by a certain number. You know what I mean? Because if we say length and length is the number, and we wrap that in length, so we just say int, we just say instead of n length 3 1 2 3. Alright, and then what we do is we say new, say just say the number is int the number plus 1 and turn that into a string again. And then we say like return f string 0 times length of the number minus n length, and then also just the number itself. 0, maybe like so. That's maybe an invalid syntax. So say leading zeros divided by 0 times length of the number minus n length. Just say that leading zeros. String and int were over here. Obviously. Okay. So we got a whole lot of funny stuff. Let's see. First we gotta get at the string. And just a sec. Wow, that's been some time. I'm back nevertheless. First of all, it works in this case. It works in this case. It doesn't work in that case. That's just weird. The number, length of the number, and length. In the number plus 1. Okay. So we say print. We got the number. We got the incremented, oh no, the number by adding 1. We got the incremented number. Also we needed to make I still don't know what that means. Like, okay, never mind. We got 0, 0, 1. By adding 1 we got to also we need to make zeros more. We got 1. We got 0, 0. By also we need to make zeros more. Well, this one passed actually. Length of the incremented number. 0, 0 more. Like, why doesn't it print out? 1 should equal full bar 2. Test that out. Only here is a 0 more. There are no zeros more here. Alright, this bamboozling has got me an idea actually. Because we're searching for that. That is the last group, 0 to 9. The first group is 0. And the second group is it's 1 to 9. And 1 to 9 is it can be 1 or multiple, but here this is it's not necessary that this leading 0 is here. And that can happen 0 multiple times, and that shall make the last. Oh, okay, it does not fail. Alright, that's weird. Here we just say return, like we shall delete all of that. I shall say group two and three. We shall say incremented is int the number plus 1 and that's it. So I shall just say in the end we put incremented or we'll just return just re dot sub what we want to find is match object point, like all of that, and replace it with we do f string. Here we say incremented, and here we say match object group 1. No such group as 1. Can just do try, then try, and accept oops, paste, without the first one, you know. Oh yeah, because then the problem is over here. Okay, so that can be solved in that way. We put that in one group. All right. Number match group 2. It's group 1. Just replace that with match object group 1. We shall get error again. So we shall do that, try that. That doesn't work. Except copy, paste. So we just do incremented. Still no such group as group 2. This one. First group is second group. Can also do it like this. Except copy, paste, where the group is actually now 1. It's still plus 1, still 0. Match group, just add incremented. Alrighty. No. Match 1. So 1 doesn't. So no such group, no such group. So this example doesn't even have first or second group. Print. Group. Match object group 0. 99. Let's first group, right? So if we just put here 0, oh, why is that in that kind of syntax? I got so line 9 sub, oh, the string. Here also the string, test it out. Test pass, foobar 001 should be 101. This should be just 2. Alright. One should be 2. Int the number plus 1. So just a print. This can be deleted. 100. Oh, here this is behaving like that. What a mess. Let's just say print try and print except. Wow. Okay, print no match. Oh, it's just like, yeah, this is happening. It thinks, oh, there's no match happening. It's still no match for this one. That one should be that, and that one. Okay, so there are too many zeros. So we say that happens. Fuck, down. So it's down. So that happens in no match. What? Goes down. No match test passed. No match test passed. Try to test pass. No match. And what happens is we got in foobar 01 and we got foobar 001. Apparently no match. Which is very weird. Okay, is this serious? If print G. Else if equals to foo bar 01. Oh, so here we get foo bar 00. Alright, so we got that thing happening, and we got 1, 0 too much happening. And okay. Yeah, I mean, this is really getting too much confusing. But should we solve that one or this one, or do it completely from the beginning? You know what? Let's do it like so. 0 to 9. It can happen at least once or multiple times. Test it out. Say, how do I print out the match object? Expand, return the string obtained by doing / substitution. Group the entire match. So we do the entire match, so we say print group 0, just call that M. Non-type object has no attribute group, so that's a good thing. If print that, if M else none. So you got 0 0 1 1 9 9. Great. if m, that else copy paste test. Wow, pass. Alright, and here we say length is len of m dot group 0. Say new number is int m group 0 plus 1 if length loading zeros are 0 times, to say, length minus new number, just say return replace m dot group 0 with loading zeros plus new number. Oh, must be string, not integer. So we call string on that number. Oh, everything passes except this one, because 02 should equal 002. Why do all the others pass but this one? Length. Okay, so we do a verbose print statement. We do length of, so input is m dot group at 0. That's an input. Length of it is length of new number is because just length minus new number, length minus len. Does that count? I'm just axing. Is that like that? Does that count? Everything is len new number dot we need int has no length. Alright. Length string, all that a new number. Int has no length still. It's over here. Everything on the string. All passed, look at it. It all passed. Oh! Not everything passes. Why? That should equal, just increment the last one, alright? So if you do here the sign for the end of the string, still first test pass, and then all of those tests pass. That means if half of your tests are read in the final one, does not mean you're far from solution. Just have to understand the problem. Although right now, whenever you really understand the problem, you just consider yourself lucky to have such an easy case. But you know, we did it. It's a nice one. Let's see the pre-submitted solutions by other people. See what they have come up with. Head, string strip that. So we got head. And we got tail. Length head that. Alright, so we got a tail if tail is that. Otherwise return string 0. Return head plus string int tail plus 1 dot the fill length. Oh, that this thing as fill, what is that? The fill method. Bad string on the left, with zeros to fill. Wow, what a weird method. This solution, I think our solution is more readable. That's because we just done it. Well, although they didn't have to import regular expressions module. Well, that's something. Strip the decimals from the right. Oh, okay, so this is just explained. Nice. Get the part of the string that was stripped. Those are ints. That is 0, return string plus 1, else find the length of the ints. Alright, add 1 to the ints. Pad new ints with zeros on the left of the length. Because the length, where do we get the length? Okay. Okay. Wow, what a function this, what a method. zfill. Wow. Alright, with that bombshell, we conclude today's daily Kata. Have a nice one.